Alright, well hey, welcome to the channel. This is Chief Outside, and my name's Tim.
Alright, well hey guys, today we're building something. Alright, so we got the box here. Check it out. And voila. Basically, this is gonna get hooked on the wall outside. I'm gonna have a kayak that sits on top of it. I already built one of these the other day and it used it for my canoe and it was awesome. So I got another one. Trying to figure out a way to store my canoes and kayaks so they're not sitting on the ground, getting water, getting slugs climbing all over them. And it'll help them dry off a little bit better and be out of the way. So go ahead and build these. Alright, so this is the other one I built. As you can see, it's pretty steady. It's bolted to the wall pretty good, so I liked it. So I was thinking I'd throw another canoe or kayak right above it. I don't want to block this mirror, this window, but I don't look out that window anyway. So this comes with a bunch of screws. It also comes with this little fly nut and a washer. That is to keep this guy from getting out too far. Alright, they're pretty sturdy. This doesn't hold very well, but probably like something like that. Alright, there we go. We got that one all set up. Alright, well hey, that's a mallard I just mounted. It's not quite done. Gotta fix a couple of feathers still. I'll probably have a video of that coming this summer. But yeah, thanks for following along in that video, guys. I really appreciate everybody who's liked, subscribed, commented. I've enjoyed making these videos, and I see a couple of people who started following along. Really appreciate that. All right, well, hey, I think that's everything we have to post along with this video. Thanks, everyone. Have a good one. Take care. And hope you're out there hunting, fishing, trapping, doing something awesome. Later.